this is urine, and today we're going to talk about this Hibiscus Sabdariffa tea, which is known as also Roselle plant. It is also called bisat, a national drink of Senegal, and it is been used for medicinal values that help with high blood pressure, wounds, and ulcer, and also cold. I like this 100% hibiscus tea because it contains 47 iron, 30% vitamin C, and tastes just like cranberry. Here is the flower, and you need to remove the seed inside the flower. Here's the recipe for the juice: 500 gram hibiscus, 100 gram sugar, 1000 amount of water. Recipe for jam: 500 hibiscus, and steps: wash the hibiscus thoroughly, remove the seed inside the flower, put in the hibiscus, water, and sugar, and then boil, and then pour the juice to another container. So here's the juice. Then, when there is only hibiscus left, add in the sugar, stir until all melted, cool it down, and store it inside the container. Here is the jam. It tastes just like cranberry